If you're looking for the best way to display TikTok videos on your Astra website, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to create a fast and responsive TikTok feed like this for your Astra site in just a few minutes with no coding needed. This is by using the Smashballoon TikTok Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase TikTok Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download TikTok Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress website. Now on my site, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for TikTok Feed Pro, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And now TikTok Feed Pro has been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll notice we have TikTok Feeds. Go ahead and click on that. Here, we'll need to activate the license key for the plugin. You can find your license key from your Smashballoon account, paste it here like this, and click Activate. Okay, so our license key has now been activated, so we can begin creating our TikTok feed. To get started, click on Add New. For the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click this button here, then click on Connect with TikTok. If you're already logged in, you'll see your account here. If this is not the account you want to display inside your TikTok feed, click on Switch Account and log into the correct one. This is the account I want to display, so I'm going to click on Continue. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. Back inside TikTok Feed Pro, we'll now see your TikTok account added as an option for the source. I'm going to select it and click Next. For the final step of creating our TikTok feed, we'll have to select a template for the design of our feed. We have options like the default, cards, list, latest video, and more below. For this tutorial, let's go with the gallery template. After selecting it, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new TikTok feed right here inside the plugin. It's displaying the latest TikTok videos from the account we connected, which is Green Grove Eatery. At the top of the feed, we have a header, which displays your profile picture, account details, including the bio, and we also have some metrics like the number of accounts following, number of followers, and number of total likes on the profile. And scrolling down, because we chose the gallery layout, we have a video player at the top of the feed featuring the latest TikTok video posted on the account. On the right hand side, we can see the caption, number of views, and number of likes. And scrolling down, you can see the rest of the videos on this profile in a grid layout. Each video features a thumbnail, number of views, number of likes, and the caption underneath. Our TikTok feed is now ready to be embedded on our Astra site, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize it to match your branding. On the left hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Layout. Here you can modify the layout of your TikTok feed. Since we selected the gallery template, by default, it's set to the gallery layout, which is the one that I just described earlier. Alternatively, you can go with the grid layout, which displays your TikTok videos in rows and columns, the list, which features your videos in a single column list, the masonry, which displays your videos in masonry tiles, and lastly, the carousel. This one's my personal favorite, and it allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. Okay, so for this video, let's continue with the gallery layout, and if I scroll down, we'll find further options to modify this feed. You can choose the number of TikToks you want to display on desktop, tablet, and mobile. At the moment, we've got 9 videos, which you can see inside the feed, but to modify this, just enter the number of videos you want to display. Let's go with 6, and instantly, on the right-hand side inside the preview, you can see that we now have 6 videos and a video player at the top of the feed. If you want to customize the number of columns, you can modify it just as easily. At the moment, we have 3, which you can see inside the preview, but to modify it, just enter the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 4, and our TikTok feed automatically updates to display 4 columns instead of 3. I'm going to go back to 3 columns, and once you're happy with the layout of your TikTok feed, click on Save on the top right corner. Remember earlier I talked about the header at the top of the feed. This is fully customizable too. Once again, under the Customize tab, go click on Header. Inside, you can see all the different elements inside the header, such as the profile picture, name, username, and more. If you want to hide any of these elements, just deselect it on the left-hand side. For example, if you want to hide the profile picture, just deselect it, and the profile picture will be hidden from the top of your feed. And to bring it back, it's just as easy. Just reselect it, and the profile picture reappears inside the header at the top of your feed. You can do the same thing with the name, username, description, stats, and the button on the right-hand side. So it's totally up to you. But if you want to disable the header entirely, you can go ahead and toggle it off at the top here. So now the header has completely disappeared from our TikTok feed. So if you've already got a header set up on your page, you can remove the header inside the TikTok feed and use it just like this. But for this video, I'm going to bring that back, click on Enable. And lastly, I want to show you how we can moderate the videos inside the TikTok feed. Click on Settings, and first we can go into Sort. Currently, our TikTok feed is sorted by recent first, so our latest videos are shown at the top. But we have more options with this. If I open up this drop-down, you can also sort by oldest first, most views first, or even most likes first. If you select an option, your TikTok feed will update to show it accordingly. So the videos inside our feed are sorted by the most views first. But if you want to change things up even more, you also have this option here to randomize the videos inside your feed. Once enabled, it will show a random assortment of videos inside your feed, allowing site visitors to be greeted by fresh new content every time. So it's totally up to you. For now, I'm going to keep it as is and click on Save Changes. Now that you know how to create, customize, and moderate your TikTok feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your web page. Click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, we can select the page we want to embed our feed to. Let's go with the home page and click on Add. And here we are now on our web page, and if I scroll down, let's embed it right here. To do so, all we have to do is add a shortcode block, this one here, and paste that shortcode that we copied earlier, like so. Now let's click on Save and check out what our feed looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live website, and if I scroll down, we'll find our brand new TikTok feed right here. It's displaying the latest TikTok videos from the account we connected, which is Green Grove Eatery, and it looks just like how we customized inside the plugin. It's displayed in a gallery layout just like the one we selected, so we have a video player at the top of the feed, and it's featuring the latest TikTok video posted on the account too. So if a site visitor clicks on this video, that video will start playing directly in line on your WordPress webpage. Next, if we scroll down, all the rest of the videos on your profile are displayed inside a grid, and if someone wants to watch another video, they can click on it, and that video will start playing at the top of the feed inside the video player, just like this. And if I scroll down all the way to the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If I click on it, it will load additional TikTok videos directly on your feed on your Astra website. And that's not all. If we go all the way to the top of the feed, you might have noticed that we have this button that says Follow on TikTok. If a site visitor clicks on it, that will take them directly to your TikTok profile, making it really easy to convert your site visitors into TikTok followers. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a TikTok feed like this on your Astra website. It only took a few steps and there was no coding needed. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.